Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream, bum 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 bum, make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bum bum bum, give him lips like roses and clover, and tell him that his lonesome nights are over. Sandman, I'm so alone, bum 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 bum, I got nobody to go. Oh hey, stream's live, cool. Okay, awesome. So, TLDR, anybody who's watching this in the present may notice that today's an off day for stream, i.e. Thursday, which is not a regular day. That's because this is one of those bonus streams. Long story short is, tomorrow I might have to make a shorter stream, and on top of that too, I wanted to bust this out now. So I figured, hey, why wait till tomorrow when today exists? Let's see, let me do a quick little side thing. Let me just do this, live now. There we go. Discord ping because I posted that a little bit ago and I only now just posted the same live, haha. Anyways, yeah, so with that all being said, my plan is basically, so I did a little bit of like poking away at the, what do you call it, the JavaScript web token thing, JSON web token, and basically this right here effectively solves it. Like these two are effectively the keys, so I was pretty close. What I was messing up is basically when I was converting to a string, I didn't add this 2 because that 2, what that basically does is that converts it to a binary, right? So that basically was the issue with the XOR, as far as I recall, and then yeah, we can kind of go from there, right? What the hell, stream on Thursday? I just said basically this is a bonus stream, so hey, bonus stream, let's go. So, yeah, anyways, on top of that, too, I kind of made the last chunk of things a bit of a mess. So, I basically want to clean all this up because it's just annoying. It was just not quite right. So, I'm gonna clean all this up and then add some event listeners. We're gonna kind of like restart this. And I was about to restart this, and then there we go. You're about to say you're talking to no one, but never mind. I mean, hey, it's a stream. I think it'd be rather boring if I started just, you know, streaming and just sat in silence. Let's see. You have a joke. Where does a book hide when it's scared? Under the covers. Ah! Very, very good, Kiki. Or Chi-Chi. How's it going, Chi-Chi? How are you doing today? How are things? How are things treating you? Whoops, need to start the server. Server? There we are. Where's live reload? Nope, go away. This is for editing purposes. Oh, there we are. Good, I guess. Got back after shower after my shift. Fair enough. Yeah, I had a very long, thrilling day as well. I'm running on like 400 milligrams of caffeine right now. I am buzzed. I am running on all that magical, mythical juice that I should probably not be consuming. But hey, long days, am I right, fellers? Whoops, did not mean to do that. But yeah, so nice and fun. So we're going to try and pound this out. And then if I can get this going in a relatively good amount of time, then I will, then I'll slide on from there. You don't drink caffeine or coffee or energy drinks, so you're tired as fuck. See, like, the coffee isn't, like, an amazing thing. I have kind of a soft rule where I don't drink any of that stuff until, like, lunch. Because, for me, what it is that I don't want it as a crutch. It's more like, you know, it kind of is like, okay, so, like, you know, I just worked all day. Like, I've earned the, like, excuse to go get, like, you know, to get, like, a pick-me-up before, like, the end of fucking, to, like, do the rest of my day, right? Because, like, just because I'm off work doesn't mean my day ends, because I'm trying to do all this shit, right? Plus schooling, so it's like, oh, shit, there's a wombo combo. So, yeah, so what I was going to do is I just need to really quickly bang this out and redesign it, and then after I do the redesigning for this, hopefully, I can sneak a little bit of ultrakill because, yeah, you get the idea. Anyways, so let's see. I want to recreate the function XOR strings. So then what I want to do is I want to take in A and then B. So those are just going to be the strings. I need to make this a function. There we are. Function. There we are. Awesome. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Very, very thrilling. I know this is not the most thrilling stream, but like I didn't want to leave the JSON Web Tokens thing on part 1 and not do anything exciting with it. So, hey. You haven't played ultrakill, but you've seen the game. That's epic. It's definitely a fun game. My thing with it is that I beat the game on like, I think what's considered like the normal mode, which is like the hardest non-altered mode. But I'm trying to go through it again on brutal because brutal changes up a lot of the sort of mechanics with some of the characters and behaviors and stuff like that. So it's like, yeah. Plus, you know, I'm just stupid. So, huzzah! Let's see. So let's see if if A equals undefined or B is equal to undefined. How do I spell undefined? There we are. Asynchronous with my hands. There we are. So if A or B is undefined, let's see, we'll return 1. Let's see. You're currently laying in bed with your fan? Hell yeah. I am sitting at my desk doing more or less the same thing. It's very thrilling. Let's see. Yeah, no, I don't know. It's just a chill little thing. What you do for work, if you don't mind me asking. Feel free to skip if you don't want to share, but just trying to create conversation. But yeah, so what you do, huh? Let's see. So I got that. Cashiers, very thrilling. I have done some cashier stuff, and I'm definitely not thrilled about it. Hopefully you enjoy, but, you know, teach their own, obviously. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so then, so after I got this, so basically what I need to do is I need to convert each string to a frickin' array of bytes, right, or numbers, right? So I'm gonna do, what do you call it? So I'm just gonna say within this function, I'm gonna return an array. I'll just say let array is gonna be equal, or sorry, this array is gonna be empty for now. Oh no, actually no, I'm gonna force it to be equal to an array because that'll prime it. Let's see, and is that McDonald's? Hoping I don't get yelled at one day. I mean, unfortunately it's bound to happen, but I mean, just take it with the advantage of knowing that, like, the people who complain at McDonald's probably are going to peak wherever they're at, so... very, very, very aggressive way to put it, I know, but hey, you get the idea. I'm gonna move this down just because I don't want to allocate anything until the check is passed. So let's see, and then what I want to do is I want to do for, let's see, let I is going to be equal to 0. We're going to say while I is less than a dot length. I don't need to make that a function call. I want to do plus plus I to iterate through it. And then basically per call, I'm going to take, I'm going to say the array is going to be plus equal to, actually I need to make 2 arrays. I need to make, I'm going to do a underscore r for a array, and then I'll do let b underscore array is going to be equal to whatever that is, because heck yeah. You're gonna go to bed. Good night or day. I mean, hey, fair enough. I mean, thanks for swinging by. Hope you have a good night, good sleep, and all that. So yeah, have a good one. Oogly too. Hope you do well. Let's see. I see the server is perpetually blowing up right now. I'm gonna ignore the server for now. I will leave that to a mod. Let's see. Array is gonna be plus equal to and then whatever the heck the thing I pasted up here was. Realistically, I should move this down here. Yeah, like this. So then now I basically just want to convert this down here. So we're not going to convert to a binary yet. Actually, I don't think I should need to convert to binary at all, because each number should be able to be XORed fine. Yeah. This is also partly just me reworking it right, because I don't, like, I know the first time I kind of messed it up and made it very muddy, so this is me kind of just redoing it right. So it's doing A of index I. Let's see, so I'm gonna make a new function, which will just be, function, let's see, function will be, let's see, 2 underscore, num underscore, actually I'll do it the JavaScript way, 2 num array, and I'm just taking the variable of array. Let's see, I'm just gonna double check that, if, array is equal to undefined, then I basically just want to frickin' return, let's see, let's just do -1, I guess, because why not? Oh, not -1, we'll return 1, because that's our first error point. And then after that, then I want to copy-paste this in, and then I want to go like that. And then instead of this, I'll say, frickin' the A array is going to be equal to num2, or sorry, 2 num array, and then I'm just going to pass A. And then same thing here, I'm going to say 2 num array B. And then for the num array thing, I'm basically just doing what I was doing earlier, so it's going to be plus equal to that. And then once I get the array done, I'm just going to do let array is going to be equal to, guess what, an array. Then we're going to do all the frickin' jubilee on it. And then I'm going to say array.length, just to make this more clear. Ultrakill maybe. It depends how well I do on this. If this goes smoothly, then I'm planning to do a little bit of ultrakill. If this turns into an absolute piece of garbage, then I'll not be doing ultrakill. But I mean, hey, I think I have a plan for this, and it should go relatively smooth. So, hey, good. Hopefully, maybe, possibly, fingers crossed. We'll see. Let's see, so then we're going to do that. So after that, the array should be done. So then we're going to return array. So let's see, we gotta convert to array. After that, then what I basically want to do, lol, we bully bubbed so much the other day. Yeah, people are still bullying him in the Discord server. Actually, like literally within this hour, people have bullied him already about not watching the stream or playing it. It was very thrilling. But hey, I'm not complaining or arguing. It's a good game. They should play. So let's see. So then we got that. So then after we convert the array, then we need a XOR arrays. So I'll do let array is going to be equal to XOR XOR. Yeah, I'll do XOR, and I'll do A underscore R comma space B underscore array, and then let's see. I'm going to do XOR. I just want to say array. Nah, I guess nah. I'll just say XOR. Screw it. I'm just gonna say XOR. So let's see. We're gonna do a function XOR, and then the XOR function is going to be just A comma B. By default, I want them to be undefined, because that will just help with error checking. Undefined. And I just want to say, where's the exact same error that I had earlier? Yeah, just right here. Yank. Boink. There we are. Return 1 for the first error point. So let's see. So then, let's see. For a, let's do let I is equal to let I is equal to 0, while I is less than a dot length. I want to do plus I. Let's see, and then after I do the plus plus I, then basically for each one, I'm just going to say, okay, I'm trying to think of how I want to do the XOR. So this would be, let's see, I'm going to say, let's see, XOR underscore array is going to be equal to, whoa, excuse me, no, let's see, we're going to return the XOR array. The XOR array is going to be equal to just an array with nothing in it yet. After we do that, we're basically saying, okay, so for the XOR array, we're going to go plus equals, and then we're going to do A of I, with XOR to B with the index of I modulus A dot length, I think it was? Or was it length dot A? I can't remember. I think I wanted length on the left side of the operation. I always forget how the modulus operator works. It's kind of weird. Like, it's not that I don't understand it, it's just weird. And then after that, then I want to return XOR underscore array. So the XOR array is this. Basically, so I guess I'll put it this way. So what I'm basically looking for is I want basically to take in this string, right? And then I want to take an A, mash it with B, XOR to get some binary here. After I put the binary here, I want to convert to base 64, by the way. But after I convert to base 64, then what I want to do is I then want to be able to decode it and then get the string back out. If I can do that, then that's the line to play ultrakill. If not, then who knows. And then I'm just going to do the stream for however long I have time for. That's basically how we'll lie. So, we did the XOR. Let's see. And then we're going to do... I'm going to create one more function. Which will move down here, actually. Just because it makes more sense to go top to bottom, right? Because that's the order that they're going to be called. So this function is going to be... do I want to do this? No, yeah, I want to do this on like a per array thing. So then I want to do a function, and then I want to do a per character thing. Hey, Sapphire, how's it going? How you doing? You doing well? Hope so. Let's see. So I'm just trying to think of how to put this. So the function is going to be frickin' binary to. I'm just going to say bin to base 64. And then I'm just going to say num, and then so, I'm going to say, actually I said binary, binary, and then what I basically want to do is I basically want to go parse int, oh no, I need to do if, I first need to throw an error, so I need to say if the binary is equal to undefined, then I need to return, whoops, then I need to return, let's do 1 again, because why not? You're good, what about me? I'm doing okay. It was a long day today, not as long as yesterday. Yesterday I worked an 11-hour day, so that was thrilling. And then today I'm burning a little bit of that frickin', what do you call it, the like pencil from both ends. I am very wired on caffeine right now. But my intent is that, so I did a part 1 to this stream. I left it like not finished. And I don't like leaving things unfinished, so basically I'm coming back here to basically finish this up, and then if I manage to do this in a decent amount of time, as a reward for myself, instead of doing schoolwork, I'm going to be doing ultrakill. So that's cool. So let's see, and then from here, I basically want to do, instead of that, this. But yeah, so that's that. Why can't Isaac stop torturing my throat? I got a good item on the first wire out the screen. I mean, hell yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, why, thank you. So yeah, so that's kind of the jam right now. Let's see, so, and then yeah, we're kind of going to go from there. Let's see, I want to try convert, type of, bin, whoa, what the hell happened there? Bin, is equal to, so if the binary is of type let's say string, we're going to try, whoops, we are going to try, oh my god, I'm typing so bad right now. We're going to try convert it to a integer, which will be, let's see, parse int, and we'll try binary, whoops, oh my god, I'm typing so bad today. So I say the binary is going to be equal to the parse int of binary, and then I'm going to catch an error, and then the error is going to basically say, hey, it'll just be like a return, 2. Return 2, because that'll be another error. Let's see. Those who haven't liked the stream, do so now. This current stream, I mean, hey, thanks, Ventura. Appreciate it. You think I would be the one shilling more, but no, apparently not. But yeah, anyway, so then we're going to do, let's see, we're going to return, this basically. And then after we return that, so I'll return the character, parsed from a binary to, a character, right? That's the hope, at least. Yeah, that should return the character. And then from there, basically what I then want to do is, so I'm basically just going to say, okay, so then what I want to do is, so after I do that, I XOR the array, and then I want to do array is then going to be equal to, let's see, I then want to do, let's see, I want to do bin to base 64. Oh no, I then want to do, let's see, I'm going to read in this a bin array for binary array, and then I want to do, let's see, I'm going to do, say up here, I'm going to do for another loop, because why not, we like loops here, let I is equal to 0 while I is less than, the binary array dot length. I then want to do plus I. The Volvacy yearns to be eaten. Excuse me. Let's see. I see Ventura's over here with the curse shit. God bless. And then let's see. So then I want to do let. Whoops. What is it going to be? Not the binary array, so this would be the base underscore array. The base array is going to be equal to a blank array, an undefined initiated array. And after that, we're going to do base underscore array is going to be plus equal to the base 64 return value of bin underscore array with the index of I, because we're just converting it, and let's freaking chunk. And then after that, we should have the base array. So then after that, yeah, that should be good. And then we'll return base underscore array. Let's see. And then I'm just gonna say this is for compression. For compression. There we are. So then now if we clear this. So then this is still named XOR2 strings, or sorry, XOR strings. So then if I press this one, XOR strings is being called, and then that should work. So then if I click XOR test, that should work, but it doesn't seem to. So what bracket did I forget? Let's see. Syntax error with a formal parameter error. So this is on line 85. So let's see if we can crunch that real quickly. Formal parameter R, syntax error, redeclaration of a formal parameter array. Oh, I did redefine one formally there. Let's see if that fixes it. Let's run it. Run the XOR. Ooh, got a freeze. Awesome. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do as well? Actually, is I'm just gonna print the steps because the steps will just make my life infinitely easier to like debug. Damn, the whole page is frozen. Stop. That's not nice. Okay, so let's see. So then we're gonna go back to the Firefox Dev Edition. Oh, look at it. It fixed itself, kind of, not really. Let's see, with the developer tools. Nothing seems to be erroring. It seems to still be running. It just seems to have hung for some reason, which is weird. So I'm just going to go for this. So let's fix this. So let's do console.log. I'm just going to yank this and paste this in a few places that I'm going to do it. So we're going to do there. We're going to do after the binary array. Then we're going to do after the base array. And then return. Yeah. So then we're going to just do... let's see, and then here we're just going to say, hey, so string A, B, whoop, is going to be equal to A, comma, space, B. I need to add a plus, plus A, plus, and then here I need to do a comma, space, and then B. Okay, so there's that. Nope, I forgot a plus again, god damn it. BB, you gonna eat me some food? I mean, that's fair. This is the boring part of the stream because we all know people come here for the ultra kill. A underscore array plus comma space plus B underscore array. Let's see. So then let's see. Converted to arrays. You just came here to chat. Well, thank you, Sapphire. You are a real one. Let's see, and then, let's see, then I'm just gonna say bin underscore array is gonna be equal to, whoops, plus, bin underscore array, and then for compression is going to be, yeah, so then here I just want to print, base array. So then this would be base underscore array is going to be equal to just whatever that is, plus base underscore array. And then that should be the string that gets outputted. So let's then now run this and see what the heck happens. Any issues? 7. Unable to access style. Spacer is null. I don't think so. I think you're fine. Okay, well that's an issue for future me. So let's try run this. So let's see, so I got the two strings, and then immediately hitches. So, what's going on here? To_num array seems to have an undefined error. So, if array is undefined, it's not that. And then, so, let's see, I don't even know what ultrakill even is, except for that it's a shooter game. It's actually a really cool shooter game. I would argue it is the best Doom-like game there is. So if you're aware of like the game series Doom, it is, in my somewhat firm opinion, it is significantly better than like those games, like the Doom series, and any game that is trying to be Doom-like. Like ultrakill just takes the cake in my opinion, because it takes basically all the shortcomings of Doom and refines them out. Basically the only thing Doom has above ultrakill is like it's a little bit more cinematic because it has like proper cutscenes and like it has better graphics. So like if you care about graphics, then like sure, but like let's be real, graphics aren't everything, right? So like, you know, that's what the cool kids think, right? So it's hitching right after this. It's hitching like array here, which is number 2 array. So number 2 array taking the undefined, it's saying there's that, and then while I is less than length, I don't want to do plus I. And I'm saying basically array is plus equal to string, array, character at that. This doesn't seem like it should be bugging, so the only thing that I can think of is that this is erroring. So let's do length. Let's do let length is going to be equal to array dot length. And then I'm just going to say, well, that is less than length. And then I just basically want to do console dot log. Let's do length. Let's see. Array lang is, let's do this. Let's try that. This is going to give me a warning about it freezing. There it is. Stop. Refresh. Okay, I guess I just could kill the page and then reload it. And then let's get the inspector back up. Please and thank you. And then after that, let's run the XOR test, because I know that will give me errors. It's hanging on the frickin' function call? Like pre-function call? What? That is so weird. Why are you hanging there? Oh, you seem to fix yourself, maybe. XOR test? Oh! Oh, it did seem to run. Okay. Array length is that, array length is that. Converted to array high there equals that. Equals that. The binary array is equal to that. String A, string B, high there. Okay, so it's hanging somewhere in there. Is there anything after binary array that I'm missing? Yeah, there's the base array. So the base array is also where it's hanging, it seems. Okay, this seems to be good. I don't see a direct issue. Up, element is now visible. Element is not visible. Oh no, that's something else. Sorry, that's me tripping. So the binary array is that, which is good, but I didn't get the base array, which is also weird. I'm gonna reload this page. This page needs to be freaking out. I'm gonna pin this to the bottom of the page actually, because that makes more sense to me. XOR test. Let's see what we get. So we get the high there. Okay, that's good. What from here? Because it should be converting. Yeah, see, high there keeps getting like hung on the num2 array or 2num array. So all I'm doing is they say it's getting the length. No, it's even hanging there. So it's just returning early. So what the hell? Let's see. So I'm doing that. Yeah, 2num array. Is this not just running for some reason? Because it's not converting it to arrays, which means it's returning early. If it's returning early, then that's just so strange. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go console. Whoops. Console.log. Let's see. I'm just gonna say num underscore. Or sorry, I'm gonna say 2num array loop. Lop. I want loop. Loop. Oh my god. Loop. There we are. Had to really fight my fingers there. Okay, so then XOR. It's not XORing anything. Why are you hanging so badly on this? This should not be that bad. Yeah, like what? The console just went away. What is happening? It worked there at the end, right before the refresh. What the hell is happening? See, it's getting the high there. Yeah, that makes sense. 2num array. This should not be hanging like this. So, like, what the fuck? I could hide these all in, like, promises, but, like, the issue is that these shouldn't be, like, huge promises. These should be, like, relatively quick, like, things, right? Because, like, these really shouldn't take a while. So what the hell is happening that could possibly be going on here? Because they're saying, hey, array... I'm just going to say formally here, array is equal to undefined. Okay, so we get the reload. XOR. It literally only makes it to here, and then it hangs on basically the first or second number array. Which is so strange. Oh, did it finish? No, it didn't finish. It just unblock the blocking stuff, right? Which is so... Why is this hanging? Like, it's not even making it to the array length. That's what's so strange to me. Am I missing some, like, error here? Font, 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 font. Okay, that's an icon, so that doesn't matter. That's a style error as well. That's fine. Array length is... What? What? Excuse me. Hold on. So... Excuse me? Oh, you know what I probably need to do is I just need to say, like, let XOR is equal to that. Oops, you know what I need to do is I need to do, like, this and make it an arrow function, because, like, of course I do. And then basically I just want to do console.log, and I'm doing XOR. And then after I do the XOR, then I'm doing, let's see, we're doing returning, frickin' XOR. Because, like, why not? Okay, so what the hell is this about? Is it auto running again up here? No, it's not auto running up there. Was it just like a frickin'... Okay, no, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Yeah, no, actually, the more that I look at this shouldn't be equal to... No, this should be a arrow function here. No. No, wait, I'm tripping. I just need to say this is equal to XOR. And then move that out. And then basically I'm getting the XOR, I'm then saying the value is equal to XOR. I'm going to console log it, and then I'm going to return it. Instead of returning it, I'm going to return it like that. And then I can get rid of one of you, because you make no sense. You're going to get a snack, so AFK real quickly. Oh, good. Sorry I haven't been too chatty. I've just been, like, slamming my head against this logic, so it's like, that's just weird for me. Okay, a bunch of get errors again. Did it dump the logic out of the top or something again? Navbar height. No. You're all good. Okay, what the hell am I missing now? So, we're doing the event listener thing. We're doing the XOR here. So we're XORing the strings. We're then console.logging the XOR. Let's see. XOR return is that plus the XOR. And after that, we're going to restart. That didn't save. Or it is saving, but it's just being weird. So let's just restart the page. So, get me that frickin' inspect element, please. 9 errors. Okay, what's the 9th error here? Because that's normally not a thing. Okay, navbar, I don't care about that. Navbar height not added. Let's just limit it to this, so I can see what the hell is going on. Let's get rid of these. Font, all fonts. The navbar one's not a huge deal, because those are just whatever. So now what the heck is... So it's doing the either It's literally just hanging on the either Why is it hanging, though? Cause that's saying it's on line 70, which is like up here. Yeah, so it's hanging between line 70 and line 75, meaning that the only way that this can be, you know, correctish is right here. Right? And the only way for this to be correct is basically, so, I just need to review the logic again. So basically we're doing number 2 in array, or sorry, we're doing 2 number array. So basically we're saying, okay, I'm gonna do this. If, type of, array is not equal to string. I need to do quote string, actually. Quote string. Or string. You back? Welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Let's see. Return 2. Because that should prevent it from hanging at least. And then after I do that, then I'm getting the length, which is equal to that. The array length is this. Let's just run it. Okay, I'm just going to throw this into an AI because I do not see what's frickin' going wrong here. Let's just frickin' go like that. We'll yank it out. We'll go over here. Why not? Sure. Why is this causing a thread to freeze? Question mark. Freeze. There we are. Boink. These are modifying array. Oh, god damn it. Am I doing that shit again? I'm doing that shit. I'm gonna say new array. New underscore array. Let new array. New underscore array. And then after I do that, then I go back to the JWT testing. Let's see if this works. I don't think this will actually change anything. I think the AI was being stupid there, because now that I think about it, that shouldn't matter because I'm pre-getting the value, but hey, who knows? It might be some weird function called BS. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that. Let's do the less than or equal to. Fuck it. We're doing this live. Why can I not see the terminal? There we are. Needs 17 copies for continuous scrolling. What? Okay, so the binary array is erroring out, so that's awesome. So let's just reload that, because, like, why not? XOR test. So just gonna hide their thing. So hi there is there, is there, and it's hanging again. Which is not what it should be doing. Why are you doing that? Am I absolutely tripping nuts? I think I'm tripping nuts. You must confess. Do the confession. Confess to me your sins. So what the hell is going on here, though? Fuck it, we're gonna slam this in because why not? We're gonna slam this in because I don't want to be struggling on this for freaking ages. Whoops. Okay, can I get you now? Do I get you? XOR test. No, okay, you know, fuck it. We're gonna go lazy and we're gonna toss all of this into the frickin' AI. Because why not? I'm not human, I'm a smaller alien, my ship is made of human bone and skin, I'm glazing... Sorry, I'm in a gazing... I am gazing through the skull right now, watching this... I mean, hey, hell yeah. I hope that, I hope the little alien main, treats you well. Or the little alien body thing. Let's do this. What's wrong with this? Boink, boink, boink. Let's see, your code has several logic issues, wrong syntax mutation, bug, doesn't push, it coerces the thing, also we'll throw it divisible by error when that equals that. Okay, so let's see, so let's see what all the errors are. So we're going to say, so for XOR it's saying, I don't mind if they're undefined because I'm going to check. And then I'm actually going to throw this, though. Whoops. Let's undo that. We're going to move you down. We're going to get rid of you. And then if you're clear, then you're good. Because, like, that's what I want. Because I want to be undefined intentionally. And I want to verify that, right? And then, so I then define the array. And I'm saying for let of 0, well, a.length was that. XOR array is going to be equal to what? Okay, so I see they're accessing that array outside of there. So then they're creating a BI, repeated B short. Yeah, that's the intent. Oh, because I modulus B dot length. Yeah. I modulus B dot length. I did the exact same thing before. I modulus B dot length. That makes sense. That I completely understand. And then I need to do the XOR.push. That kind of makes sense as well. So we're going to do XOR.push, and then we're doing that array. Yeah, that seems fine. I don't see any issues with that. A little bit more condensed. 2 for XOR strings. Apparently we only have for the XOR strings just a 1 instead of a ++1. That's probably why it's infinitely hanging. Yep, right there. Okay, that's the issue. We solved the puzzle. Let's go Scooby-Doo and the gang. Let's frickin' refresh this page. This should no longer be hanging because I fixed the infinite loop because huzzah. XOR it. Yep, there we go. So then we're doing all that. Then we got these characters. And then let's see what happens when I decode the string. Hey, look at that, it broke. That's fine. So that's fine because these are old functions. So what's going to be the decode process? So the decode process is going to be, I think what might be happening is each character here. No, this should be okay. Let's see. Base array of questions. Let's see. Very nice we fixed the loop though, but what's the error with this? So if we do the decoding, right? We're gonna do the test decode. You know what? I might as well just copy this entire thing and then just replace it slightly. Because we'll yank that. I'll just paste it here and I'll swap the values of just a few things. So we're doing the XOR. And instead of the XOR, we're doing the XOR underscore out. And then we're doing input B, because that will be like the secret, right? So then there's that. And then we're doing decode out. Decode underscore out equals the XOR. And that's basically that. Isn't that the lyrics to the song? I have no idea, actually. I genuinely have no idea. So, neat. So, let's see. So if we XOR this, XOR test equals that, which is going to be a bunch of characters, that's whatever. And if we decode the string, it's going to equal that. Let's see. Base 64 reader. I just want to double check. So if I do this, if I do that, decode, no printable characters found. That's not quite right, but okay. Because what I'm basically doing is I'm just trying to go for a binary array. So wait, how many characters are there? So this would be 5 plus 3, so it'd be 8. And then, so it's also 8 here. Okay, so there's an error going on somewhere. So the binary array is going to be... Wait, why is this 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1? That makes no sense. Because these two numbers are very different. Are they? Actually, no. Wait, okay, so let's just see the logic. So the arrays are going to be, yeah, no, there's definitely errors going on as soon as I glance at it, because 104 and 115, that's a difference of like 11, right? So that means that the first value should be 11, but it's not, as 27. The second value is 105 and 104, which then is correct with 1. And then we got 32 and 104. That should be a big number, so that 72 makes sense. And then the 116 to 104 would be a difference of, I think, 12, and then that's 27 for some reason. You never had a worse headache right now? Ugh, drink Wawa. It might help. It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. So, okay. So let me just test this real quickly. So what if we do... Where is the array that I was doing the modulus operator with? You. maybe it's just something like that where it's going to order of operations. It's just tripping out. So let's just do A is going to be not A. Let's do A underscore value is going to be equal to let's see. Let's do A value is equal to A of I, and then we'll say let B underscore value is going to be equal to this whole B operation right here. Like that. And then actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these things right here. I'm going to say let A underscore val, whoop, not cal, val, comma space, B underscore val. There we are. And then let's do the or on that, A underscore val, XORed by, oh my god, XORed by the B underscore val. Let's see how that do. XOR tests. There we are. Does that create more readable bindings? So let's see. So the 104 by 115 does not seem right. Why does that seem to be doing that? 104 XORed by 115 is 27. Oh, you know what? Because it's XORing it. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm being silly. Okay, dude, why am I getting a headache after saying that? I have no idea. What, who said what? What said who? Who, what? No, say what? Who's hurting people? Who's hurting people? What's happening? What's going on? I want to listen to fall away. But then the decode should also be working. So, what I'm going to do now, because I'm feeling lazy, is I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to ask, why is the decode not working? Why is the decode for this not working? Working question mark. And XOR should scramble in but return out. Because it's like the whole simple like X plus B equals C thing. It's like, well, if you rearrange, it should be like, you know, C minus B equals A, right? You're calling bin to base 64 like this. Okay, just give me the corrected code. So it's apparently with the XOR strings. So let's do the XOR strings like this. We will just simply swap that in because I'll say, fuck it, I'm lazy. I will admit defeat and we'll paste that in there. We will go like that. We'll see how this goes, and if it goes well, then yay. So let's see. So we're going to encode. We got an H. We got an H. We're going somewhere. You sound like a curious dog. Who's hurting people? What's happening? Who's hurting people? Listen, I'm a fop. I am foppage. Okay, that's somewhat correct, but the issue is that it's not actually returning correctly. Okay, maybe let's just try a new string. Let's just say, hello, I am Volbite, right? And then we'll go, for the secret, we'll go bark, 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 bark. And then what we will do is we will then XOR that. It's something Mr. Book. Okay, so we got the thing though, but then if we decode, hello, I am Volbite. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. Because I think there's other logics. So as long as the, yeah, that should be correct. Oh, the bin to base 64 thing is also an error. So what does it say here is the error? So we're doing base 64 string from char code. Okay, so let's see. Base underscore array. Oh no, that should be corrected, shouldn't it? Base underscore array. Base underscore array? Do I not have base array? What? I thought I literally just pasted you in. No, there's not that. So, yeah, so what function are you in? So you're in... you're calling base to say 64 like this. But in that, you do that. So, in bin to base 64, I need to do that. Bin to base 64, I need to do that. So then that is going to be... where am I at? So we're doing... I'm just going to do this. Freaking bop. Boink. No, I'm doing freaking that in this bin to base 64. So we're doing this. We're going to slap it in there. So let's see. So they're doing base equals that. Array. No, that should be fine. So... I see ChatGPT, you have failed me. You see, it's because I'm absolutely slamming my head against stupid shit, and I'm just sitting here, like, absolutely flustered. Because you'll see, I got string A, right? I got string B, and then I'm just gonna clear the output just so you get the idea. So, we have the A and the B, right? If I XOR it, I get, like, a proper, like, you know, base 64 out. You can tell it's, like, error. You can tell it's proper because the codes are proper, right? But then what ends up happening is that if I try to read a code, for some reason the O turns to an H. And I have no fucking idea why. Like... Excuse me? Actually, here, wait, let's make sure it's case sensitive. Hello, I am... let's do capital I. Hello, I am, Volbite. I'm gonna do it actually with quotes, because that'll be an extra stress to... oh my god, Vol BYT3, just to make it extra Volbite, very awesome. Volbite, period. There. So if we XOR the test, you'll see that we have this now, that whole XOR string, and then let us clear U, and then we will decode the string. Halech. Halech, I am Volbite. For some reason, my O's seem to be tripping the fuck out. And I have no fucking idea why. So that's why I threw it into AI, because it's like, it's mostly correct, and I don't understand why the fuck it's tripping out. And the only thing that I can think of right now is that maybe, possibly, some fucking how, I don't know how, is O being interpreted as, like... a shit-ass character that's, like, somehow, like, returning as, like, 0. I have no fucking idea. So this would be, like, what would it be? We'd be, like, string, dot, char, or, sorry, to, char code. I forget what the fucking thing is. Is on a function. Yeah, it's something stupid. It's just fucking string dot, from char code point, locate string from char code. I think it's that one, and I just gotta specify 0 and then pass it a variable, I think is what I'm doing. So I'm doing string of the character O dot, no, it's not from, is it to character, what is the fucking thing? I always forget this. Hello carrot, why thank you. I am in fact a carrot. Num 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 num. But yeah, so we're doing num to array. Num to array is doing that. After I do num to array, then I'm doing the XOR operation. The XOR is this, because I'm just XORing the numbers, right? After I XOR the numbers, then I am returning. Then I have the result. The result is going to be basically compiled from whatever this is. Volbite is carrot confirmed. Exactly. Are you in the server? Because if not, that's a very, very neat coincidence. I don't think you're in the server if I recall correctly, but that very much feels like you are, because there was definitely a lot of shit posting like that happening in the server earlier. So yeah, so what the hell's going on here? So we just have that. I also noticed I got some messages a second ago. My taskbar popped up, so let's just see what that's about. Let's see. Nope. Okay, so we got that. Join the fucking Discord, Sapphire. No, you're not. Okay, well, I will tell you that it was some very convenient, convenient shit posting that you just did, because I shit you not, there was a bunch of like memes like that in the server. So yeah, so why the frick is 0 being like, because it should be O. And then I'll just do like A, right? And if I do encode string, that should be a thing. And if I decode the string, I get an O out. So what the hell is going on? Let's see. Let's see. What is hell mapping? What are you scripting? What I am scripting is I'm trying to do an XOR, because basically I want to make my own form of like JSON web tokens or JavaScript web tokens. I forget what it is, but JWTs, right? So I'm basically trying to make my own version of it, because I want to like understand them properly, right? And I'm just having some really weird things happen. Who the hell are you? They're a new person, clearly. So, I mean, hey, how's it going? But anyways, yeah, so I was gonna say, like, if I do a string like, hello, I am, Volbite, right? So, like, some, like, proper grammar thing. Then make the secret, frickin', I'll do the same one I did before, bark, 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 bark. And I do the XOR on it. I get a code. That looks relatively correct, right? And then if I decode the string, you'll see that my O just gets converted to an H for some reason. I have no idea why. The O gets converted to an H. So yeah, so that's so fucking strange. I have no fucking idea what it would be. So that would be... So this would be O XORed by B, right? So that would be a thing. So let's do let's do O XORed by B. We'll do the XOR test. We will decode it, and it returns as H. Why the hell does it return as H? Is that null? Hold on. Did I enter a race condition or some shit? Is that a new line character? What? Is it a... Did I accidentally stumble on a new line character? What the fuck? Excuse me? Hold on. Hold on. That is... XOR returns... Hold on. Console.log. Let's see, I'm gonna do a underscore array is gonna be equal to frickin' whatever the hell this is, which is gonna be a underscore array. I'm just gonna console log this shit so I know exactly what the hell's happening, because I have frickin' no idea right now, and this is extremely confusing to me, and I need to like pick apart the logic. And I'm gonna say here is gonna be bin underscore array. The binary array is gonna be the binary array. Crazy that. And then I want to then do, well, the result's gonna be printed out, so I don't really care too much about that. So let's just see. XOR. So bin array is equal to that. Okay. So then what if I do console.log let's see, result is going to be equal to result, because this just seems like it's doing something magical. Result is equal to a blank character. No, not even a blank character, it's just nothing. So what the hell? So that would be like string so it'd be 111 XORed by 98 is going to be 13. Okay, very random, but I wish there wasn't a character limit for chat so I could say the full description of what is grass. I think you're the reason why the character limit exists, Sapphire. What is it again? It's fucking, chair code at, and it's gonna be 0, which is gonna be 49. Okay, and I want to do dot. Or no, I don't want to do dot. I want to do all this, right? And then I want to do dot. No, this wants to be a string, so I'm gonna do a string operation on all of this. Yep, and I'm gonna do dot. From no, what is it? Chair code from. Fuck, what is it again? It's like, from care code, yeah. String dot, from, character code. Okay, never mind. I messed this up slightly, because I need to drag you out. And then I need to paste you in. And I need to do a string care code from. So it's returning a 1. Why is it returning 1? What the hell is happening here? Oh, you know, I'm gonna throw it in here. Fuck it. Why is O XORed? Why is O frickin' XORed by B? Then XORing back equal H. I'm gonna see if it has an easy answer for me because I am thoroughly confused on what the hell this is happening. Something went wrong, so I had to know what you think they are. That should be that. Yeah, I get that. Yeah, it equals 13, but it's returning back as that, which is the issue. XOR is working Thursday. Let's look at an example that. Okay, yeah. So if you had that and that, you'd be XOR to produce the unpredictable character -n, but XORing the output again gives it back. TLDR, you're likely seeing like no the inputs are quite literally O and B, which is erroring, which is let's see, XORing there and use wrong there and back to H. Let's see if this fucking gets it, because holy shit, this is being stupid. This is a character turn or that, yeah. Oh, you know what I just thought of? It might. You know what I just realized is I think it wants not the inner text or not the value, but I think it might want the. No, it should be the value of it, now that I look at it. Oh, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to do XOR is going to be equal to the quote plus that. Let's do it like this. That plus all of this plus... let's see, let's just do one more of these, plus one more of those, because, like, why the hell not? Okay, so then we're here, fucking, let's frickin' go, we're gonna reload XOR test. Nothing again. Oh no, so that would be frickin', not what I'm looking for, because I'm stupid. We're doing this. And then we're going to do value is equal to that plus XOR plus blank. There we are. XOR test. Oh, I did it in the wrong spot. Okay. So it's gonna be that, plus that, plus that. There we go. Because I want to make sure that's actually, like, being encoded. Okay, so it is a carriage return. That's what's happening there. And let's see. So then I want to do frickin' Miwa and Terraria Meow Mere moment. What? What? Excuse me? Alright, and I'm going to do the return is I'm going to do... I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to do, I'm going to do dot, split? What am I doing? I'm doing, so this is going to be a string, so this is going to be a string, and then after I make sure it's a string, I'm going to do dot slice, split. Is it split or slice? JavaScript, slice. I think it's slice, isn't it? Yeah, slice. So I want to do slice of, so this is going to be, let's see, I'm just trying to think. So I'm going to do just frickin', let's see, I'm just going to do, let's see, let A is going to be equal to all of this, paste, back. And then let A is going to be, okay, so let A is going to be equal to all of that, right? I'm going to do A is going to be equal to, let's see, I'm going to do A dot slice. I'm going to do 1 comma space A dot length, like that. And then we'll do the exact same thing for B. I guess it'll make it more concise, which I guess is an incidental win. So we'll cut that out. Paste that in, same thing. We'll just enforce that to be a string, just to be safe. Let's see, and then now that we have that, that is not actually going to be the XOR. Oops. We're going to move you up, and then we're going to go say let B is going to be equal to that, and then we're just going to say the same thing, which is going to be B is going to be equal to B dot slice, slice 1 comma B dot length. Like so. Let's see. I'm just gonna do this. It's gonna be clear, clear double quotes from start and end. Actually, hold on. Do I want to do that? No, I don't. Actually, wait, I can because I'm gonna do that. -1, yeah. And then just gonna be AB, like that, nice and clean. Is there any additional errors? Nope. Run the thing. Okay. And then decode is gonna be, it just returns the exact same fucking thing, god damn it. So we're XORing A and then B. Why is that not working? That is very off. Meow, 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 heck yeah. This is like so close to working, and then if this works, then I can pay some freaking ultrakill. No. Okay, so like, why the hell are you doing this? Let's see. Let's erase you. You yearn for the gay robot, exactly. So what if I do hello and I do bark XOR tests? Okay, so we got 3 characters. That doesn't seem right, but fuck it. Decode string. Cubic. Very good. Okay, so that doesn't seem to be working. So let's just undo what I did, because fuck it. It doesn't need to happen. So it is that is just returning a carriage return or whatever. Let's see. XOR test equals this. So it's doing a carriage return. That's what the HB is, and then the OB is returning something else. Let's see, I'm going to say, so O equals B equals that, expect 13. Yeah, that makes sense. Which is 104. HK code at 104 equals that. That means that the whole point. Which would mean that. We just prove below what. So we're getting H results, then something alter the character codes. That is not what's happening, but sure. So we'll do this. We got the X4 test, decode. Hell. Why is that happening? Oh, wait a minute. I just realized if it's a carriage return, it's not an escape character, but what am I thinking of? It's like 2 characters. So it might be evaluating either the backslash or the R. So hold on. What would... let's see. I just want to get freaking whatever the value is. So let's just grab this, or let's do it like that. So let's just do that. Let's just do this. So it's going to be -n -code 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 -n. So if I do say value of, because the fifth one's my error, right? So we'll do the \n. Oh, I actually hit the window. I was so confused what happened there. I'm like, did I just crash Firefox somehow? Okay, so let's see. So we're going to do a string of that. And we're doing dot character code at 0 is 10. XOR'd by frickin' what would the character code that I'm looking for be? This would be string of, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do the character code of B. Well, I need to define B. That makes sense. The character code of B dot frickin' character code at 0 is 104. And then 104, let's see, now we're doing string dot from character code 104 equals H. So what is 105? H I J K L M N O P Q R S T V W X Y and Z. H I J K L M N O. So H I J K L M N O. So it's off by 7. I could just add a freaking simple check just saying, hey, on return if equals that, then do something else, right? So I can just say, hey, XOR let's see, I'm gonna say, so this would be the XOR of the strings, number to array. So I'm gonna do the XOR thing, and I'm just gonna say, hey, if I'm just gonna do frickin' edge case because why not? Edge case catch that will error system system. I'm gonna say if a underscore val equals \n or b underscore val is equal to \n, then I basically want to say very quickly, okay, so then I want to just say, actually no, I should separate these because this just doesn't, this won't do much. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to do after that else if, because that'll save a touch of performance. Let's see, if b equals that, b underscore val is equal to, or sorry, plus equals 7, so that's just a shorthand of doing that. And then we'll just paste you here for the same thing. And then we're going to replace that with an A, and then maybe this will work? I have no freaking idea, so we're going to encode that. That equals that. Decode. No. Oh, you know what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do this. I'm going to do frickin' console.log frickin' in all caps, edge case found. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing where I yank and then paste. Just because I really want to know if this is working. Because yeah. Just yeah. So let's do decode string. So nothing is there. Or wait. No, that is the issue because there's no edge case found. Let's refresh the page because maybe it wasn't detected properly. So we'll go bam. Okay, so that's there. Decode string. Okay, so it isn't finding any edge case at all. So it's doing 10 dot dot dot. It's not your fault you're living in a madhouse. Okay. 104 XORed by frickin' 98 should be 10, right? It is 10. Okay, and then returning it in is going to be frickin'... What do you call it? It's going to be that. So then the input is then going to be 10... 10 XORed by 98 is 104. Huh? What? I am so confused now because this looks like it should be working. I live in hello without the O. That's what I'm in right now. That's unironically what I'm in right now. Completely and utterly. I am so thrown off by this. Because, you know, this is the whole hello, right? And then the one after it is the bark bark. Because you can see this pattern repeats, right? 98, 97, 98, 97, 114, 114, 107, 107. Yeah. So what's basically supposed to happen is that frickin' the XOR process happens. So the issue is it would be 10 XORed by frickin' 98, which is 104. But the original character was 111. So what the hell's happening there? So 111 XORed by frickin' 98 is 13. 13 is not being read. Oh. So why is that not being read? Because the binary array is doing a thing, and the result is this. Right? So let's see. Let's do frickin'... Does JavaScript have like a print without formatting? Print without formatting. To print without formatting, the window.print method can be used. Okay, let's try that then, because I want to try. See, result is going to be window.print. Window.print. Let's see how this works. Took so long. Okay, let's see. And then we're just going to go frickin' bap. That's not what I was looking for. Okay. I never tried to print anything, so I thought that was going to be something else. JavaScript, print string to console without converting new lines. Converting new line characters process we used. Process.standard. That looks like not what I'm looking for. Let's try it. Process.standardout.write. That looks like a frickin' That looks like a node thing. Yep, I got an error for it. What the hell is going on with you? Oh, maybe it was a coincidence error. Yeah, process is not defined. Thought so. Oh wait. Well, I mean, process is not defined, so that wouldn't matter either way. See, this is what's bothering me. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna ask JWT because fuck it. 13 when read with 13 read with document dot get element by ID. Let's see. Says that 13 is actually 10. Hey, ya Moonlight, how's it going? How are things treating you? Bye. Okay, see ya. You dash R, then later it back as that. You'll get that. Oh, because return is not that. Yeah, that explains that. Why the fuck is JavaScript fucking formatting my strings? Why? Encode XOR out safely. Use basic through hex encoding before writing to the input element. That's what I'm doing! That's what the fucking binary one is supposed to do. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it removed it and I didn't catch that. Scott here from Ventura talking about Terraria, the stream will be peak. Is it? Is it? Because currently I'm slamming my head against fucking not JavaScript, like, AI's fucking me over. Yeah, no, what the fuck? Yeah, that's fucking stupid, I hate that. Okay, that is dumb. Yeah, no, so I want for each one, I want, result dot push. I don't want it to be a fucking string. I want it to be an array because I want it to be an array. What's your favorite bot from Ventura Turtle? 1 second, my pupper wants attention. Be right back. What are you doing? You want some food? Excuse me, pups. Okay. I have returned! I am returning! Holy shit, when did the stream get, like, viewers? What the fuck? This is supposed to be an off stream. This is supposed to be a weird one. What the hell is happening? Who are all you people? Volbite, can you take my dog on a walk? I mean, hey, sure, why not? Okay, anyways, where are we going with all this? So, EOL is an all-time fave, but we're counting on the mods. I love Escal. I don't know what those are. So let's see, we're going to do array.push, and then instead of the array.push, we're going to do, let's see, bin underscore array with the index of I, because I look at the character, and then we're going to do, instead we're going to do bin to base 64, because yeah. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. Like this, and then that's that. And that's all we're looping for. So now if we go back to here, and we rerun it, and we go like that, sure, and then we decode the string, your XOR is Gerbil. Okay, wait, let's just try refresh that, because maybe decode string. Ah, we can get it longer. No, that's incorrect. So then, result is result. Yeah. But that's not what I want to do, because the issue is that result is going to be a thing. So then I want to do string, convert result to a string after, because I don't want any of those extra characters, or the separators, right? Decode. No, okay. Hero, you frickin' dingus. Volbite -1 dog. Frickin' sure.
What do you want? Get in here. Get in here then. You can sit here and do nothing in this hot room while I try to entertain the people. Go, go, go. I have nothing for you. I have literally nothing. You want to go up? Okay, you can go up then. I don't care. Wow. Hi there, dog.
Let's see. Let's see.
Okay, doggo, you frickin' mother chunger. You can stay there. You can stay there. You can sit down. Lie down, please. Now is not the time. Now is not the time for play. I played with you earlier. Don't act like you're attention starved. Okay. Anyways, so frickin'. Where am I going with this? So, okay, so formatting it to an array is wrong because the array is attempting to do it weird. So, we're just going to say result. But then what we're doing instead, the dog yearns for the sapphire. You got him jealous. He wants attention. No, but anyway, so where are we going with this? So we're doing result is that, we're not doing result, we're going to do result is plus equal to that. Plus equals to that. And if we redo this, we do the XOR test, undefined, blah, 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 blah. That's incorrect. But sure. And then decode string, undefined, blah, blah, blah. Okay, what the fuck, man? I'm just gonna let's go here. No, let's go here. Just go all the way down because I do want to play frickin' ultrakill at some point. Yank paste. You know what? Fucking, we're doing a deep seek because why not? I'm gonna drag this off screen so I can log in because I know for a frickin' fact that oh, it doesn't ask me to log in. That's cool. I just pasted the code in no context, so we'll see what happens. I shall take your dog for a walk and not return with him. No! Key functions, event listeners, a DD code performs the XOR operation, XOR main functions of that. Potential issues, result, la 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 la. Empty, may return empty string, minimize misname function base to base 64, doesn't actually return base. It actually converts numbers to RC characters, a better name would be num to care, sure. That is true. Let's see. Can we convert? Let's see. Num fucking foiling into the vibe coding right now, I guess. Cause fuck it. Can we convert? What do you call it? What was it? What was the function called? Can we convert, let's see, bin to base 64, fuck, so it, oh my god, so it actually converts the number to base 64, question mark. And then I will fucking blind ride this because fuck it. You took him so no, I will stab. Nobody messes with my pop art. Be doing. Alright, so it is saying to use the B to A operation, so let's see, let's just do this. We'll go B2A. Actually, I don't even need to do this. Actually, we can just go up to where it's being called, which is going to be the bin to base right here. And so we can just say B2A like that, I think. And let's try to run this. Run the XOR equals that. I don't know why it's getting undefined. Decode. Still undefined. Damn it. Nope, I was closer before. Cancel. Actually, wait, is that wrong? I don't actually know. I don't know if I want to do this. I don't know if I want to do this. I feel like I'm getting further away from what I want. Because it was working fine. The issue is that stupid frickin'... the stupid frickin' thing here. Where it's just like... It's just not going well. Like, my issue is that how do I prevent JavaScript? How to prevent JavaScript from converting /r to /n. This feels like such a weird thing to want to ask. Well, documentation of that. If an encoding error is a specified test, also universal new lines is true. Remove the text was no. That's something else. Okay, let's see. Let's just try a new one, because fuck it. Let's see. How do I prevent JavaScript dash my website from converting a /r to a /n? It messes up my XOR. And then we'll paste the function one last time. If not, then I'm gonna say fucking play ultrakill. That's my line. Let's see, because I'm trying to frickin' do a thing here. And if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna say fuck it. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna say fuck it. So yeah, we'll go like that. I don't care. Firstly, modify to preserve the original characters. Sure, why not? So we'll yank that num to array. Actually, no. Here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do yay to me just abandoning after this. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do right here. Pre-AI changes with a bunch of exclamation points. I'll save you just so I have that, so I know exactly how far to undo. So it's saying num to array. Let's just try this. Num to to num array. To, that's not correct. Oh my god, to num array. Go to definition. You're in here. Cool, that's awesome. Replace you, paste you. Frickin' get that in there. Cool. Let's remove the edge case handling the XOR since it's not a reliable solution. That's valid. Let's see. That makes sense. Your mine okay? Ayo though? Okay. That adds up. We need to ensure consistent handling of strings for XOR to be optional. Normalize inline strings, sure. Then add your event line listener. So it's gonna be for the test decode, which is gonna be over here. Which is all that right here. Fuck it, we ball. We send it. Let's go. Hopefully no errors. Let's go reload. Encode string. That equals nothing. Cool. What's the error? Is there an obvious error? Maybe not. Okay, so we got that. We're XORing it. There's nothing here. Let's see. Decode. Oh no, I'm doing the encode thing, which is not happening. Where's that element is not visible. You know what? You know what? Fuck it, I'll figure this out off stream. We'll do ultrakill for like 5 minutes. Let me hide the screen so I can make sure everything's like working. Let's see. To the ultrakill. Dude, I'm gonna be real for a minute. I'm starting to really dislike JavaScript. I'm really starting to dislike JavaScript. JavaScript's like really not cool. It's like really not cool. It's like super not cool. It's like super ultra mega not cool. You know that? Oh, 1 second. I need to do a thing. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Things are happening. Things are happening. Let's see. We'll do you. That's not what I want to click. I want you. I want you. I want manage. I want frickin' local files for you. This, please and thanks. Boom. 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 Okay. What the hell's happening in chat? What the hell's happening in chat, man? What's going on? I don't care. I don't care. Okay. Did we fix it? I think it's fixed. Here, no, let's go to the room dark. Hell yeah. Why am I teeny? What happened to me? What? OBS. OBS, why are you trying to capture the menu bar? That's not correct. There's me. Hi, it's me. Hello, it's me. Hi. Oh, wait, no, that isn't me. This is me. Way out over here. I'm big now for some reason. Why am I big? Why am I big? What the frick is happening? OBS? OBS. That's cool. Hell yeah. Okay, OBS, you're definitely working, so this is OBS freaking out even more than usual, I suppose. Why are we on Blender now? That's cool. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Let's see, I want this one, please. Oh, look, it's me! It's almost like this is how we're supposed to be! Are we done? Are we done? Are we solved? Are we good? Are we fucking grooving, mateys? Okay, I'm gonna turn off the music playlist because I think we're gonna have other stuff happening in just a second. Because holy shit. Okay. Are we good with this? Are we good with this? No, I definitely didn't do that, Steam, so I'd probably double check your shite. I don't know who messaged me on Steam. I don't care. I don't answer Steam messages. I'm not playing on Steam! Oh, Blender is apparently also running on Steam, so let's fix that. Well, I guess I wasn't. Steam, like, this is something that's, like, so annoying. I understand the whole, like, DRM management thing, but, like, holy fuck, can you, like, if I'm running 2 computers with my Steam account, like, could you let me have 2? Could you let me have 2, please? That'd be very nice. Dog, I warned you about coming in here. Don't give me those eyes. Don't give me that look. You can sit. You can lie down. You can chill out. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Get out of here, Windows. Windows, you frickin' tool. And guess what time it is? It's ultrakill time. Woo! Let's just do a quick thing for audio reasons. Ta-da. So now I can actually talk and people might be able to hear me. Alright, let me check a quick message. Okay. Chad is just fucking that one fucking person from frickin' whatever it's called. Frickin'... I forget what it's called. Just... Oh yeah, Ventura, you're gonna have fun, because I think the last thing I was on the Gabriel fight. Oh, no, this is the wrong one. Oops. Oops. Quit mission. Actually, yeah, quit mission. Let's see. Play. Okay, there's that. So we were on Infinite Hyper Death. I forgot how the levels work. There we are. In the flesh. Okay, I haven't played for a hot minute, so let's see how this goes. Oh wait, here wait. Let me do one thing real quickly. Let's see. You might wanna look at current stream. Wink, wink. Okay, here we are. So back to suffering, I suppose. Okay, let me get this cord off my keyboard, because that cord on my keyboard is going to make me frickin' suffer. Let's see, and then we're going to go frickin' point. Okay, so on to suffering now. Come on. Okay, whoop, not bad. Alright, need that help. Didn't even hit me with that one. Come on. Ah, come on, I had the timing for that. Yeah, get Shrek nerd. Come on. 1, 2, and then... Okay, let's see. Oh, that was bad. Oh, I'm bad right now. Holy crap. 1, 2, and then... There, that's better. Hold on. Oh, fuck. I messed that up. Oh, I thought he threw it. I didn't think he threw it yet. Get wrecked, nerd. Come on. 2, and then... Oh, I hit that. Come on! 1, 2, and then... There's some health for me. Whee! 1, 2, and then... Ah! I keep messing this up. I hit that last one. Come on! Come on! What? Oh, I have a song playing in the background. I just realized that. Ah! I'm a Philippine. Philippine. Okay, there's the music thing fixed. I mean, hey, not bad for a first time. Let's see. Okay, there's that. Okay, let's try this again. I should be paying more attention to the actual weapons. Ah, I kind of want to take that one. 1, 2, and then... Ah! Blew myself up. I want to actually try and get this. See if I can do anything with it. Oh, kind of got it. Oh, baby, that was a triple. Not really, but you get the idea. No! I hit that. Screw you. 1, 2, and then there's that. Whoop. Alright. How do I have 3 health? What? Oh no, I probably set the shotgun. That's all that probably happened. I'm probably messing with myself while using the shotgun. Hey, whatever. Freaking rockets, let's go. 1. Okay, let's see. 1 with those, and then trace, and then I'm gonna instead go like this. I'm gonna go 1, 2. What? Oh, he took off the freaking tracker, didn't he? No, okay, no, he didn't. What? What? He has the tracker on him. What? Okay, whatever. Excuse me, not what I pressed. Ah! Okay, come on, one more time. Oh, that was the wrong thing to dodge. Ah! Why was my first run so good? Why was my first run so good? Now I'm playing like absolute dog water. Excuse me? That's not okay, man. Whoop. Why am I pressing all the wrong keys too? Whoa, that's not what I was expecting. Ah! 1, 2, and then 3. Oh my god, I'm not hitting anything right now. I'm bad. You know, let me clear some of these wires, because I've been fucking dealing with, like, setup issues. So, like, let me, like, move some of this shit out of the way a little bit, because I feel my hands keep, like, tickling stuff, and that's definitely not helping. So let's maybe try that. Okay. Alright, there's some stuff moved out of the way. Let's see how this goes. Let's see. Oh, no, I'm bad. I'm just garbage, damn.
Oh my god, I'm not doing good right now. Oh my god, I feel garbage. Is it normal to feel this good? Probably not. Or this bad. Why am I not hitting anything right now? I did so good the first time. There, better. There, get out of here. Shoo. Shoo. Shush. Wee, and then wee. Ah, Christ! Okay, I'm just... There. Good, better. Come on. Ah, fuck, I messed that one up. Ah, okay, that was all me. That was all me. I'm gonna move this keyboard out of the way, too. I keep fucking hitting stuff. Did Ventura leave or did Shadow? I have no idea, honestly. Oh, was Ventura? Okay, cool. Good to know, good to know. Good to know. Holy shit. I am disappointed with myself. Why do I keep missing these? You know what, I think it's because I'm trying to dodge and then I'm moving my position, and so I just need to be more ballsy. Or, Nope, that was not it. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't like how he goes sideways now. I fucking hate you with that. Ah, that's the wrong keybind. Well, I'm just dead. I'm just dead. Yeah, I'm just screwed. Okay, come on.
An intersection to be fled.
Point. I did the wrong thing. I don't know why I thought I could do that.
You are
just take the coins. I hit that in the completely wrong spot. I had the timing, but not the spot. There we are, better. Oh, okay, sure. 2 and then. Can we go back to meeping? Hell yeah. Oh my god, why am I so bad at this game right now? You know it's your rocket launcher time. Get out of here. 2 and then up. Boink! That was bad, but whatever. Whoop. Come on. Okay, sure. I pressed the key. Why am I so bad at this right now? This should not be this bad. He like teleported directly above me. Okay. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I appreciate the side jump. Sure. No, fuck you, serious cannon. Oh fuck, I missed it. Not what I want to do, but sure. I am so upset because I feel like I'm pressing the buttons. I don't feel like I'm doing anything wrong, yet I'm just screwing up royally. And it's so bothersome. That was bad timing. Like, to be very clear, that dodge was terrible timing. Like I'm not saying I'm being perfect right now. It's just also like I definitely feel like I'm hitting some things. You know, it's one of those sort of aspects. 1, 2, and then up. No, I didn't want to. Whatever. 1, 2, and then up. Okay, thanks for telling me forward behind me, dude. Oh my god. I am upset. I am upsetty. Whoops, get out of here. 1, 2, and then trace, and then blink. Freaking get bubbled, nerd. 1, 2, and then up.
maybe even the
Not quite there. Okay. Alright, there's that. 2 and then up. Okay, I guess I fucked that up. And then up. 1, 2, and then up. 3. Okay, so he still does that. 1, 2, and then up. Okay, that was my bad on timing. 1, 2, and then up. That felt really slow for. Why did that feel so slow? Why did that feel so slow? You know what? Fucking, I'm gonna try this again because maybe it was just bugged or something the first time. No, it doesn't seem to be bugged anymore. But whatever. Okay, I guess that magnet just blipped up. I think when he teleports, it just erases the magnet. I don't know what else is happening. I really don't. Hello. Oh my god! Foolish. I did not mean to do that at all. I did not mean to do that. No, no, wrong one, wrong one! Ah, I keep pressing the wrong ones! Okay, oh my god, I am so bad. Oh, hey, Spaz, how's it going? How's the Spaz going? How's the Spaz doing? Woo! Whee! Okay, come on. No, that's the wrong gun. That's the wrong gun. That's the wrong gun. Oh my god, I'm so bad right now. I am just garbage. You're trying to teach your brother Repo just now? Oh, how'd that go? Hey, you're spazzing? I mean, sounds about right. Let's see, humans have no chance to get fine. What? What's happening there? Chaz in shambles. Oh my god, come on. I am pressing these buttons! Oh my god, it's so frustrating because this feels like I'm like pressing the buttons properly. And it's like, nah, okay. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Yes, 1, 2, and then whoop-de-doo. What? I did that through your face. Like what?
Crime is existence.
Okay, come on. Yeah, that's better. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I want. That's what we want this whole time. Oh my god. Oh my god, just fucking get fucking shrieked. Nerd! I want to power jack him! 2 and then freaking. No, I want power jack one. I want power jack one. What? It was rough. I got obliterated by Stay Puft Marshmallow A-holes. Hell yeah, sounds absolutely thrilling. Okay, you know what, screw it. We're doing a new strategy. It's called the fuck you anyways. Oh really? You teleported out of my fucking bounce! That's an asshole move, dude. Get Shrek. Come on. Okay. Cross and then... Why? Cross. Why? Okay, you know what?
You are less than...
Whee! Well, maybe I can... Nope. Come on, do the dodge thing. No! Okay. Okay, I don't know how I survived that, but I did. You know, I want your blood. Give me your blood. Ah! Fuck! He teleported! There was like 5 in one room. Oh, that sounds absolutely painful, actually. And see, like, I'm trying to mess around right now, but he's making it very hard to mess around. Okay, hello, Windows. I don't know what I just clicked, so that's cool. Serious cannon, go! Boink! Wham! Fuck! Dude, stop dodging! Stop dodging! I just want to do cool combos and shit. Oh, I did that wrong. Alright, you know what? No, just frickin' take some of that. Okay. Uno, dos, and then hit with a trace! There we are. No, no, no. Go on, power jack. Ah, no! Fucking didn't get it this time either! Whoa, that was a little scary. Uno, dos, and then bam! Good Shrek. 1, 2, and then teleport 3. Fuck! Whoops! I should hit that one. 1, 2, and then woo! Okay. 1, 2, and then a douchey 3. And then 1 for you. 1, 2, and then up. I fucked that up so bad. I don't know you about I don't know about you, but I don't think it wants to die. No, generally not. See, like,
Okay, so for context, Purple, I'm also like doing this as like a rerun on like the harder difficulty, which like changes up like some attack patterns and stuff. So like it's like extra oof for me, because I beat like what is in the game right now, like as like default or whatever, and then now there's like some like slightly different attack patterns which are just like pure like oof. No, I wasted a charge shot. You know, fuck you. I'm in the ricochet shot. I just want to do that. There was no purpose. I lost more health on that than I gained, but screw it. Alright, get Shrek, nerd. Come on. Have you ever played ultrakill, Spaz? What you think of it? Oh, power jack, power jack, power jack. Yeah! One more time. No! Fuck! I wanted it. Oh god, he's enraged. Fuck, I didn't realize I made him enraged. God damn it. God damn it. You have not, but Val has. Do you like Doom? Because in my opinion, it's basically a superior in every way Doom. But hey, that's what do you call it? A contentious opinion. Because if you like Doom, I would say that this is the best Doom-like game you can find, because there's actually mechanics to it outside of just running around and shooting and kind of just bullet hell. So that's something I really enjoy, personally. I enjoy when a game has mechanics, and there's definitely a lot of neat things as well. Fuck! Oh, I missed that. 2, and then up. There we are. There, get Shrek nerd. Nope, I was enraged again, god damn it. Ah, god, you went above me! 1, 2, and then up. 2, 3! Yeah, he always teleports behind me, I think. 1, 2, and then up. Ah! God damn it. You do like Doom, but I've only played it twice. I mean, honestly, twice is enough to say that you'll enjoy this, because I only played Doom once, and I was like, yeah, you know what, I understand the hype for it. This is just legitimately, in my opinion, better in every way. You can't really see it right now because this is like a boss, right? This is like this is the second boss in the game that you encounter, who's definitely a bit of a skill check, I will say. But he's not like the worst thing in the world. Uno. Well, fuck! I was in the mindset of stage 2. God damn it! Ah! Ventura, that one got censored, and I think I'm gonna leave it censored. Okay, come on, coins. Into the cock rate. Plank. Didn't time the cock rate. Okay, let's go. Oh yo. Okay. God damn it. Okay. God damn it. This is like taking up all my mental capacity, so I could barely do anything, so trying to like engage with chat is just like, oh yeah, I guess I'll just suffer. Whoa, I'm out. Whee! I messed up timing on that so badly. Oh goddamn, he did the above me thing! Why does he go sometimes sideways and sometimes straight on? You mean on Warframe I use the Doom music as my sound for Octavius? So you hear it constantly. That is fair enough. Let's see. Uno, dos, come on. Give me that trace. Okay. Come on, I can be better than this. Okay, fuck you. Okay, that was a little bit late on my end. I can acknowledge that. Wee! Okay, there's that. Okay, fuck you. Okay, fuck you. Come on, give me that sword. 1, 2, and then here's your finisher. Oh, power jack! Come on, one more time with the power jack! Yeah, one more time with the power jack! Let's fuck it up! Okay, let's see. Uno, dos, and then trace! Yeah! Waffle! I was not paying attention to the fucking swords or whatever. Okay, there's that. 1, fuck, I fucked that up. Okay, there's that. Fuck you. 1, 2, and then behind me. Okay, well the eyeball saved me, kind of, basically. 1, 2, and then up. Fuck you! Oh, come on, you're so close to dead. Yeah! Get fucked, nerd! Okay. We did it! We did it, yay! Can I like the Dark Souls like down point on you?
The insignificant.
Whee! Okay.
This is not over.
Is Glorious Fights for Battle Music? Yes. That dude. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I think Doom is overhyped just because the music in it was so good. Like legitimately, like it's like I know that sounds a bit intense, but you get the idea. Oh, hello. Whee! Next layer of hell. Okay, Spaz. Now, if you haven't seen much gameplay, you can actually see actual gameplay. Yay! Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, I got style though. Got some fucking really bad fucking style points for it, but yeah. Okay. 2 6. Okay, I will tease the next area and then I'll do some more ultra kill either offline in the server or on a new stream. I don't know. The entire thing is like, or what do you call it? The entire server is just doom pilled. The entire fan base is just like hell yeah. Let's see, my brain says I cannot do that easy. Sorry, my brain says I can do that easily, even though I definitely couldn't, not gonna lie. I want to see what Ventura said that got censored. It was something with horny. So, there's that. Okay, come on. I don't care. We read this before. Can I skip? Hey, there's a skip option. Let's go! Okay, so now we're on the greed layer, which is going to absolutely fuck me over. Whee! Oh, hello, Street Supers. Whoop, hello. Okay, I forgot these guys are assholes, so I'm just gonna do... Whoop! I messed up my life. Okay, hi, how's it going? I'm gonna go like this. Whoops, not that. I'm gonna go... Oh, they ran right into my bullets. Okay, that's cool. I forgot about all of this, so let's actually fix this. Let's see. Let's go like this, bam. Whee! Hello, Soul Orb. Grab Slam. Hit him with one of these. There we are. Let's go. Alright, another Soul Orb. Let's go. Whoop. Okay, let's see. What? Okay, almost died there. It's fine. It's fine though. I got the skills. What the hell is... Ooh, this is the button. Button. Ooh, button. I don't know what the button did. An eye opens. Was I supposed to go back that way? What am I doing? Is it this way? It is! Yay! Oh god, it's this section. This section's gonna absolutely fuck me over. Okay, well, let's see what I can do. Oh god, I forgot these guys run at you now. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I forgot they jump at you too. Oh my god, I am absolutely freaking blasted. And whammer. Okay, let's see. Oh god, I'm bad. Whoa! Okay, hello, Windows key. Boink! Oh, that's a lot of them. Alright, let's fix this by going something like this. And then get that shit going, and then we'll go for... I waste that entirely. Let's go like this. Boing. Boing. Okay, come on. Oh god, there's a fucking angel! Where's the angel? I don't care. Ah, motherfucker. Oh, there's another angel. I know that. Ah, god damn it with the angels. Oh my god, dude, the angels are so rough. I hate them. Alright, there's a red explosion. Point. Another red one. Oh my god. You know, the rocket launcher has a little less crowd clearing power than I thought it would have. Whee! Or maybe I'm just being silly right now because I think it's not crowd clearing, but it is. But it's due to the oh my god, I'm bad. I'm so bad. Why am I so bad right now? I should not be this bad. There we are, better. Okay. Come on. Oh, fucking... Get out of here. I don't care. Fuck your shit. Fuck your shit. Let's see. I want to fucking hit you. Yeah, there we are. Okay, good. Got rid of that annoying son of a bitch. Okay, then where the hell am I going with this? Okay, there's services here. Now, these guys fucked me up in the fucking previous area, so that's gonna be fucking fun to deal with. Come on. Okay, this power-up is almost worn off, I think, so I gotta fucking clear these dudes real quickly. Okay, I at least got room to wiggle, which is good. Whoop! Get out of here. Okay, where the hell am I at? Hey, dude, how's it going? What? No, you just get out of here. Am I cleared? Did I clear the room? Did I win? Have I won? Have I won? Did I... That's the way I came. Did I win? Oh? 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 Hey! Okay. Oh wait, I'm gonna end the stream there because fucking I gotta do a thing. I did say this on an undescript stream, so hey, there's that. But I mean, hey, thanks all y'all for swinging around. Hope you enjoyed the little fucking bonus. Hey, that was an S tier time, a fucking D tier fucking kill, but hey, okay on style, I guess. Anyways, yeah. I might play this more offline on the server, so if you see me on the server later, see you there. If not, then hey, yeah. Also, hey Tony, bye Tony. Oodles! Ah!